Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today I'm going to show you how to create sequin stitches on the Epic 980Q. And in celebration of sequins, I decided to cover myself in sequins in this beautiful vintage dress. Now go through your closet and find something covered in sequins, put it on, get in the spirit, and let's create some sequin stitches. The first thing you're going to need to do is find the sequin stitches in the machine. So let's go over to the touchpad and find the sequin stitches and pick the one we'd like to create. Now we need to go to the search bar. We're going to hit that and type in sequin. Hit OK, and sequin stitches is going to pop up at the bottom. You're going to go ahead and touch that. And now it's going to show us up at the top what sequin stitches we can pick from. Which one should we do? I kind of love hearts, so I'm going to try the heart one out first. Let's go ahead and select the heart stitch, and your sequin stitch is going to pop up over here on the left. And the spot that looks like a little X in the middle is where you're going to put your sequin. Now if you're doing a sequin stitch, you want to make sure that you're using an interfacing on the back of your fabric so there's something nice and stable for it to grab onto. I'm using a medium to heavyweight interfacing, non-fusible, and I'm going to place that under this beautiful sew. So you're also going to need your sequins, obviously. So I have some green sequins here, and if you have a stylus, it's really going to help a lot. If you don't have a stylus, you can use a toothpick. Let's go ahead and place our fabric under the machine and start sewing, and it's automatically going to stop where you need to place a sequin. Now that it has stopped, you're ready to place a sequin. I like to hit the button to move the presser foot up as high as it'll possibly go, so that way I can fit the stylus and the sequin in there comfortably. Now we're going to place the whole of the sequin in the middle of the heart. It's hard to do. Make sure you don't have static going on. You might want to use a little hairspray. And once you have it in the very middle, go ahead and press the button to make the presser foot go down. And now you can continue your stitch. And as you can see, it sews perfectly in the hole of the sequin. And now it's going to continue stitching and to create the next heart. And it stops. You raise your presser foot and you grab another sequin. Your sequin stitch should look something like this. It should look nice and flat. If it's looking like it's puckering, you need to use a heavier interfacing on your fabric. And don't worry about it affecting the texture or the drape of your fabric, because you can always go ahead and cut it away, or you can use a water-soluble interfacing if you're using something really delicate like a chiffon or an organza. So your creativity is endless with these sequin stitches. Glitter on! Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below under the video. As always, follow me on Instagram at Sewing Anastasia and Anastasia Chatzka. Check out the website, Sewing Anastasia and AnastasiaChatzka.com. All of the links are below. And if you're in Chicago and you'd like to take a sewing class from me, check it out. All the details are on SewingAnastasia.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!